Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm back with a new makeup video with my Try to Follow series, and today I'm gonna be doing a Japanese makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be watching that and trying to recreate it. So let's do it, and I'm going to try to recreate it what I already have, so I don't go out buy something. I try to do it with my own stuff. So let's see how it's gonna be working out. And I'm not using my microphone because I don't have other microphones, and this would be in the way when I'm doing my makeup and talking. So let's get into it. So first of all, she uses some kind of primer. So I'm gonna start with, and I'm gonna be using my Hello Good Stuff primer today. So this is it. I'm just gonna apply it on my face. And on my neck a little bit also. So this was the primer, and if I'm seeing it right, she would use a foundation next, but let's see. Okay, so applied foundation with handstand, a concealer with a blender. Let's do that. And I just realized it's not too much talking in it, but we'll figure it out. She put it somehow like this and just blend it out with a beauty blender. And I prepared bigger beauty blender, but I'm gonna be using a smaller one because I don't need a big one for this. That was it. And the way why I'm doing this a different language makeup tutorial series, try to focus. I'm trying to learn different languages and to challenge myself, and this is kind of part of my language learning journey. So you'll probably see more of this type of videos in more languages because I'm learning a few languages at the same time. But maybe I'm gonna be doing totally different languages that I don't even study. But let's get back to this. And see powder. So powder. I usually do powder with brush, but because she did it with no brush, I'm gonna be doing it with I don't know what, because this is not usable for that. So maybe I'm gonna be using a beauty blender. I don't know, it's that a good idea. Let's try it, because I don't have anything better than that. Let's try a blender. And I think she did it almost everywhere. I don't know where. Maybe doing it just like here. Oh, it looks surprisingly nice. I just want it a little bit here because I don't like it when it's too shiny. At some places it just irritates me. Okay, this looks wow. Then I'm gonna be using my powder with a beauty blender from now, because I just like it that. So the next step is a contouring kit. I think I have contouring kits. Let's check it. I found an Oriflame contour kit. Let's check out what she does. green and okay, I can't find any words for that, so let's just do it. So green inside and yellow outside, and my hand still has my fingers are so dirty. Maybe this is too much. Okay, next she uses now here's my that type of brush. I don't know what's the name of the brush, sorry for that. I still couldn't memorize all the names, so I'm gonna be using this brush, and I don't have this particular, what is this, palette, so I'm gonna using another mix palette and a yellow color. But which palette should I use? I have to go dig. Okay, I'm gonna be using this palette and that yellow there. Okay, the last color is a green, so I should find a palette with the type of green. Because I don't have any better greens, I'm gonna be using this palette. And maybe this green. I don't know if you can see it. This green. So let's switch it. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Super hard. Maybe I should put more yellow in it. I don't know. Try to control the green. Don't make it too much or too little. Not I want to build it little bit little, not messing up the whole thing. Because I really don't want to mess it up. And these colors look nice together. Although maybe I won't be learning Japanese today with this video, I will be learning a lot about doing makeup. I already learned a lot. You always learn something new. Studying at a university in Asia, because they have really good education, and I'm a teacher, so I'm of course interested in education. So next what will be? An orange. I think I have an orange here. This orange will be good enough. The fire plot, that's orange. That's a little bit messed up, but still good. What are they? Well, it looks nice, I like it. So what's next? It's still the orange. That was the orange. That was the orange. Let's use something that's small enough to fit in the pen and I can control nicely. Maybe this brush will be good. Fuck! A little bit. Oh, my hair is in the way. Oh, too much. No. Not too much. It's not a problem. I'm gonna Okay, this will be good, I think. And then she's gonna be using that kind of... I have a similar blush, I think. Not as pinkish, so maybe it won't be that good. No, let's watch it what she does with it. Okay, so we do that again. And what will be the next? Okay, I'm gonna be using eyeshadow for this. Two kind of pinks. Pinks. Maybe this will be a good dark pink. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using this palette. And maybe this color. And this palette. And this color. Switch my Okay, next up. With something else. So I'm gonna be using this purple with the green from before. Okay, little touch-ups. Yellow, please come back, my little yellow. I'm just gonna be mixing everything together. Oh, eyes. So next she uses something white. Do I have anything white? So I'm gonna be using this with this brush. I think you can guess that eyebrows are not my strongest. Let's continue. See what I can do. Then orange, yellow, orange. Where I have it? Yellow and orange. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, and what is next? I'm gonna give it reddish under it. I'm gonna use this red here. Very nice. Reddish, orangish. What? You know exactly how I look like. Those, and then we're gonna go on lipsticks. Okay. And it's an orangish red. So I think my level will be good enough. So let's see. Okay. I have big lips, so I have to put extra care on them, how they look. And it's a little bit too reddish, so I'm gonna tone it down with a little orange. Now you use it. This is a fuse. Okay, so something bronze glow. Wow. Figure out. I think this will do. Can you mix this? Oh, this is hard. I'm really bad at this. I hope it still works. This is really, really hard. Okay, this is the best I can do. This is still hard for me. Really, really, really hard. I know I'm bad at it. I have something similar to this. I hope it's still good. Okay, next one. Oh, let's do it. So it's done. Let's see if it's done. Just a little mascara, but I think I'm gonna be using the With the Hype mascara. Okay, I think we are done, and I think it's turned out pretty well. So, if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's lots of links in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section. See you. I'll see you. Bye.